Because this class is based on labor and a good faith effort, it's understandable that you may feel uncertain about your grade. The best way to assess your progress and performance is to compare what you've done with our labor-based grading contract. While we've done a lot of work toward our major compositions, especially the annotated bibliography and the research essay, the only major composition that we have ticked off the list so far is the introductory email. Regarding drafts, we have taken care of the prospectus as well as 2 source searches, and as you know, the 3rd source search comes in this week. As for those reading, viewing, and listening posts, we have done 4 of each so far. By the end of this week, that number will be 5. For the A, you should have turned in 3 sets of notes for coffee house discussions so far. By the end of this week, that would be 4. And then regarding attendance, you of course can keep track of your attendance on our As You Learn page. Regarding participation and consistently adding your voice to class conversations, as well as interacting with your classmates' work in substantive, helpful, and productive ways, across all of the classes and coffee houses currently, the average number of participation points for all students is 10. And to me, average is equal to a B. So if you have around 10 participation points so far, you're in the B range regarding these interactions. If you're well above 10, of course, you're in the A range, and if you're below 10, then you're in the C range. If you're well below 10, having spoken only once or twice this semester, then you're even closer to the D range. If you're working toward an A, you are expected to make use of one of our campus resources that helps with research or writing this semester. So especially if you want to pursue research support through a RAP session, now is really the time to do that. Like after 2 more weeks, this consultation won't be really helpful to you. So if you know that you've turned in everything, and you know that all of your work has been done with a good faith effort in which you have really tried to accomplish what the assignment has asked of you, then you should feel really good about where you are in the class. If you haven't submitted all of your assignments or you know that some of them have not been completed with a good faith effort, then you can think about what those assignments are, perhaps reading, viewing, listening, post, and where you may be falling on this spectrum of labor, having completed perhaps 2 fewer posts or reactions for a B, 4 fewer for a C, etc. I am happy to go over the labor-based contract with you in a more individualized way. If you'll just reach out, I would prefer to do this via a Zoom meeting so that we can see each other's faces, hear each other's voices. Nothing is lost in translation of text, so to speak. So just email me, give me a couple of days and times when you could meet, and we'll see where our schedules link up.